Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to control your room light with just a touch. These are the materials required to make this project. Firstly, solder the components on the PCB as per this circuit diagram. Let's first test it for its working. The load turns on touching these two wires and turns off on touching these two. Now we will make a case for this circuit. For that, cut out the cardboard pieces of size as shown. Then hot glue all the pieces to make a box. Cover it with paper and paste the aluminum foil on the exposed wires. At last, give some final touch to it. This completes our touch automated project. We can connect this with any home appliance. Here I am choosing room light. This is the switch which controls the light. Open the power outlet. Be careful while dealing with the AC power line. This is a two-way switch for the light. We will connect the output of our circuit to these two pins. Close the outlet and fix the box on the wall. Touching these two plates turns the light on and touching these two turns it off. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more such videos.